But we can't ignore the element of apathy. The fact that majority of Kenyans right now feel apathetic by the condition of things. And if we are then going to look at that potential apathetic lot, and we have captured that apathetic lot as almost 50% of Kenyans, adult Kenyans today, then there are things that we need to do. This apathy is driven by lack of trust in how, we are being managed by our leadership, but it also is driven by socioeconomic frustrations. The high cost of living is something that is really disillusioning many Kenyans. But Kenyans have given us a clear roadmap, at least from their view, in terms of what they feel can be done to reform and have, genuine public desire that changes the way that we are governed, now and into posterity. And these recommendations, I think, come out clearly in this survey. The first one is that we need to reconstitute the IEBC, but not just for the sake of reconstituting it. It must be reconstituted with transparency and independence.